All right, we're getting ready. We're preparing to head out to our camping trip, Casini camping trip. Okay, guys, load them up in the bed.
It gets out of range real fast.
I think the battery's weak. As a matter of fact, will you get the truck, Lego? Put the Cybertruck on the counter and swap out the batteries for me? Eric, load those in the bed for me, please. Remember to grab the remotes, okay?
Yeah, this one?
Well, that one you could leave it there. Yeah, for now.
This dude's really fast.
This is where we're putting the sleeping bags, just underneath. And then grab the other one, the green one, and then the Batman one.
Yes.
Put this back there too.
Wait, can this open?
All right. Have a seat, buddy. I think we're gonna. Yeah, we're good to go. All right, time to hit the road. I'm riding solo by myself to camping. Okay, no, you're not. You want to see who's riding with me? Let's find out. So we've got Diego, Eric, and Pumbaa. He's right there. Don't you see him? Just kidding. So we're heading out to Casini Campground in the Cybertruck, our first road trip. And we're actually running a little late, but we'll be all right. We're just gonna enjoy the ride now. Eric's got his typical engineer working on stuff. Diego's over here enjoying a chocolate milk, yummy yummy, like a little baby. And my truck is also drinking something too. What are you drinking, Cybertruck? Gulp, 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 gulp. I think the Cybertruck is at a 100%. You guys ready to roll?
Yeah. Let's go.
All right. All right, we're leaving from Daly City.
Yeah.
Charging station. And we're on our way. We're gonna make a quick pit stop, charge. We don't need to charge it, we just need to get food. And then after that, continue on our trip. All right, lock down. Everything sidebar. Like, what? That works.
Dad, look what I made.
Hold on. Right now I'm paying attention to the parking.
This is just a coin. You would put it right here. Right there.
Eric's showing me his newest invention. Want to see it?
Well, I'm not done with it. But, so technically what you need to do is put this in right here. What you need to do is put this right here. And then since this is magnetic, this will go right here. And it'll know that this is magnetic, so it'll go bam.
Cool.
And then
Cool. Thanks for sharing. All right, we're gonna go grab some food and hit the road again. Doing the last leg of the trip. We just left charging. Thank God for free supercharging. Didn't work. We're back up to 100%, even though I didn't really need to charge to 100%. The guys in the back are eating their food. One is having a burrito bowl. The other one is having a quesadilla. Awfully small quesadilla, but hey, it works. All right, we'll catch you when we arrive. How was it? How's the lemonade?
Good.
Yeah? How's your quesadilla, Diego?
It's good.
Yeah. I still haven't eaten, but it's good. Well, we're stuck in traffic. We're only 13 minutes away. 13 minutes away, guys. Look at the views. You can see the views from the glass. You can see through the big old mountains. I mean, big old trees. Look at that. Let's flip this out. Take a look. Inside some other new small little cute town. We're in Monte Rio, Vacation Wonderland. Look at that, guys. This place is called Monte Rio Vacation Wonderland.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. This guy's just chilling. That guy right there, he was. You know, the camp is literally on the other side, guys. You see, it's right here. We're over here. So it's going to be on our left-hand side. Check to see if you see any people on the left side. Right, we're literally horizontally perpendicular to them. Right. Right?
Perpendicular. Huh.
Look at that. Look at the fog.
Oh, danger. All right. I just got an ad. And it says Dunkin' Donuts right there. Oh, I need it.
We're almost here, guys. Look. Oh, that's cool. They got a general store over there. Dunkin' Mills Camping. Coffee and bakery.
Oh, shops. It's the shops right there.
Yep, they got shops.
Cute.
We can check. Look at this area, guys. Look at the canoe boat up there.
Whoa. I need it.
That's cool. That is so cool.
Yeah.
All right, here we are. Casini Ranch on the left.
Is there anything?
Family Campground.
There's so many R's, which is my next letter, but I need a Q.
All right, I'll take over from here.
Come on.
Well, here we are. The Cybertruck drove us all the way. I only took over because I can get a little bit more familiar with the area. But thank you. Thank you. Amazing work. Cool. Here's Casini Ranch.
There's literally no Q's. Ugh. I can draw.
Casini Ranch.
No, I can put it outside. It doesn't. Wait, do I actually have a Q on it? No. Wait, Chico, I actually have a Q. That it has to be these things.
Look at that big tree stump that fell over there on the left.
Well, yeah, that thing's huge.
That thing is huge. Look, there's a little lake right there. Little lagoon.
Oh, yeah.
Look, do you see it right there?
Yeah.
That's cute.
Oh, look at the bird. There's two birds. wanted to fix it.
It says, the sign there says, slow down, turtle, swan, duck, otters, and goose. Oh wow. They have a variety of...
Too bad none of those have a Q in the name thing.
Oh yeah, they have a mining area. Here's the general store.
Information center, general store. Quiet time. We're 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. Let's go.
Yeah, it just means no loud noises.
Store. QR. Moscow S.
Well, we made it. We finally made it. We made it. And there's the general store.
Are you looking for R now? No, I'm looking for you. I just got so check out.
We made it, guys. Congrats. Now let's go set up the tent. Do you see it? Okay. All right. What the truck did is it leveled itself out. Okay.
I just saw that truck.
All right. We set up camp and check out the lights. Check out the guys. We're ready for Cybertent mode. What time is it? We got 1 hour. We gotta head up. I need to buy a step ladder or something for sure. I totally forgot that. All right, guys. What do you guys think? It's pretty cool?
Yeah.
All right, let me take a picture. Did it, guys. We're out alongside the Russian River, and we're going to be staying overnight in the Cybertent inside the Cybertruck.
And it has fairy lights that are dancing.
And let's take a look at what all the work looks like. I thought it was going to be quiet here. Anything but quiet.
Oh yeah, you're right next to the freeway.
Yeah, it's kind of... Okay. Okay. Wah, wah, wah. You have one job, Eric. Just one job.
What? Yeah, Dad.
Whoa, cool. It is kind of spooky around here.
No, it's not. That's so cool. Wait, look.
I was recording that.
Do you guys want to see a star happen?
Yeah, once we get over here.
Can we make a star? Because I'm trying to make a star. They're pretty easy to do.
I'm gonna put the lighting on the side of the truck. Eric, so what do you think about our situation?
Good.
Pretty
And
cool.
I
Do you like
got
the camp?
this. Yeah. Got this and I feel like it should be banned, but it's also kind of fun.
Oh yeah.
So, two feelings about it. And so technically how you work it is you hang the rubber band right here so it's sturdy. You hold this circle, you grab this, pull it,
You stand back a little bit.
hold this. Make sure you hold it where it feels comfortable.
Okay.
Then you hold it like this. You put this up. Then, oh shoot.
And
It should fly.
did you zip it up, Diego?
Not yet. I'm putting on my shoes.
All right.
Okay. So you have to face this thing up and then there we go.
Whoa!
Okay.
You
Yeah.
zipped it up?
Yeah.
Okay, come here. Let's do a quick interview. Whoa! Almost chopped my head off. Come here. Stand right here. Right there. You know I can't even see you. Let's stand right there. So, what do you think of our first camp out?
It's pretty fun.
Pretty
Except
cool.
for the fact that we got here a little late, so
Yeah, but it's
everything's closed.
Yeah.
But it was fun. Yeah.
So far, so good, right? So far, so good. Now we're gonna go and turn on and create a fire so we can do s'mores.
And this is nice.
Oh, it's pretty nice, right?
It's
Why don't you open it up? Give us a quick tour.
Well, I just lifted up.
We're gonna do. Hold on, one person at a time. Please step down. Please step down. Eric, step down. Step down, please. Thank you.
Oh.
This is where we're sleeping tonight. Inside the Cybertent. No climbing in. Everybody's clothes is dirty.
Yeah,
All right.
dude.
Can you step down, Eric, so I can walk over? So open it up. Oh yeah. Oh, that's cool. Where you put the little light.
Yep.
Cool. All right, zip it back up. Let's go turn on the fire so we can make s'mores. All right, let's turn this bad boy on. Everybody stay away. And that should... You may need a little bit of help. Oh no, that's good. That was really easy.
Whoa, 3 flames. Oh, whoa.
That was super easy.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's get the s'mores ready. Shall we?
Oh, Eric, look at this. What? Open your mouth. You want to see what your mouth looks like on camera?
I don't know about this, actually.
That is something. That is definitely flames. Wow. Nice observation. That is toasted. That is cooking. It's cool. You can even see the little bits of blue.
Hey guys, look at me. Eric, Diego. Look at me. Diego. Cool.
This is so cool.
Okay, while that's cooking, I'm going to activate the Starlink.
You guys, we're cooking a fire. Nice. How do we cook a fire?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Watch your back, Diego.
Can I give the fire some of its Gatorade stuff?
What?
Can I give the fire its Gatorade stuff?
Can you get the fire and what?
The Gatorade stuff.
What Gatorade stuff?
You're giving it Gatorade stuff.
Oh. That's really powerful. Give me Diego.
Woo!
What are you doing, Eric?
Playing with my fire thing. I mean, my star thing. Sorry. So, technically, all you need to do is cook this onto this, like I'm saying it again. Oh, shoot. You have to make it tight so it holds on like that. Then hold this circle right here. Hold. Oh, shoot. Yeah, that's why it's hard. That's why it's hard to put on. So, make this really tight. Pull it. Hold this. Turn it upside down. Hold this. Your finger comfortable. Then you're ready to shoot. What do you do?
Diego, will you put this?
And then, oh shoot. Shoot. And then, ow! Ow, my eye. Okay.
Safety hazard. Maybe you should shoot it that way.
No, bro, the fire's right there.
Why do you think I said it?
Diego, I don't have a limited time on that, so. Back up. Okay. What do you think, Diego? Is it delicious or what?
It's good.
Super good, right? Just, Diego, Eric, don't touch the wood with it. And just stay in one spot. You gotta roast them.
It needs more juice.
No, because you kept moving around. You just stay in one spot when the fire is at.
Okay, there we go.
Stay in one spot. There you go.
To get on fire. Oh, man.
Don't get closer. Don't get closer. Just hold it there. There's still plenty of heat radiating, so you don't have to move.
My hands are sticky.
Okay. Yeah, I figured they would. Here, put it right here.
But it
Here, put it right here.
didn't get roasted.
Here, that's fine. Make another one.
See? It's the exact same marshmallows.
Here.
What
Yeah.
about chocolate?
I will do another one with chocolate. Here.
Can I have napkin?
Okay. I'll put this one back. You want to do one, Diego?
Yes, please.
It's good, right, guys?
Yeah.
Told you.
We believed you.
Here. It's still on, but the flame is out. Okay, put it in there. I'll get the chocolate out. We're only going to do one bar. Watch out. Put a little bit more. Okay, put it in.
How'd you get them to catch fire?
I guess I held mine fairly for a while. You can get closer, just don't touch the wood. Because you don't want the char off of the wood, that's the only reason. Then it tastes funny. Alright. Last call. Who wants one more? Huh? Who wants one more? David?
Maybe once I finish this, I'm not sure.
Are you done, Eric, too? That's it? No more?
I'll have one roasted marshmallow.
Okay. Diego, how about just a roasted marshmallow? No, you're good?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to have the whole shebang. Diego, will you do me a favor?
No.
Will you put that blue bag inside, underneath the bed of the Cybertent?
Yeah. Dad,
Yep.
I'm thirsty.
Oh, you know where the cooler is?
Huh?
There's water there. Now the flames are burning. Look at this one, guys. Quick, look. You missed it.
Whoa. It's on fire.
Will you grab me a water, please?
Here you go.
Will you grab that water?
It missed. What's this stupidity?
That's your thing.
What's that?
See, look at this. The range is really bad. Look, Dad, I can't control it from here.
Yeah, I think it's starting to go bad. I don't think it's the remote. I mean, I don't think it's the batteries.
Yeah, neither do I. I think it's the range.
Well, it might be just a bad unit already. Should we get another one? That's pretty cool, though.
Yeah.
I want that from Santa.
Look, I can't even get it from here.
Oh, yeah.
Look, I have to get closer. I have to be like right next to it all the
Eric, you want to bring me your truck so I can charge it?
Okay.
Bring me it over.
Can you charge my Batman one?
Yeah,
This thing gets stuck on.
bring it over. I got a USB thing here to charge it.
fire. Dad. Dad,
Yeah?
look.
All right. Shut off this light.
I wonder. Oh, the leaf is gone.
Diego, are you ready to come inside?
Yeah.
Okay, just leave those there. We gotta do this one person at a time. Will you put this inside the truck?
What?
Put that inside the Cybertruck?
Yeah.
All right. We're in the Cybertent.
I'm gonna get a fuggler.
What?
I'm gonna get a kid's toy rifle.
Guess what? Fugglers are even cuter than this.
They're uglier than that, bro.
What do you have? Where's your stuffy?
They're very
where's-
cringe-inducing and also very scary to wake up to.
Where did my stuffy go?
I don't know.
So Dad, Eric, and Diego, we decided to come out camping. We're at Casini, I think it's called. And it's a week before Thanksgiving. We're out here during the holidays. It's just an overnight. Tomorrow
It's
we pack
Saturday.
up and jump back in the Cybertruck and we head home. So this has been a lot of fun. Tomorrow's we're gonna wake up early. Actually, we're gonna watch a movie in a little bit, and then tomorrow we're gonna wake up hopefully, and then go feed the goats, and hang out for a little bit, have breakfast, have cereal, and then after that we gotta pack up and go. We may pack up first and then go play. All right, cool. Good night.
Wait.
What?
Can we look up fugglers? I like the human teeth.
Shoot me.
Okay.
Movie time. A little bit of Back to the Future with my boys, with my little dudes, my little baby dude, my big dude, my little Chepe over there. Actually, Chepe, I know, like Chepe. Buenos para mañanas. Good morning. We made it. It is 6. What time is it?
6, 7.
6-7. Okay. It's 6-7. And we're still in beds, I guess you could say.
It is 6, 7.
6-7. We slept fine. I will say the mattress is for adults. Yeah, no bueno.
Ooh, and
I need more padding
Like,
for my backs.
there was this group of loud people, and they were so loud and so annoying. They were
Yeah,
They were.
like
They were.
literally all night.
yeah.
Never stopped.
They didn't stop?
No.
Really? Interesting. I fell asleep.
How did my tissues get all the way over there? Dad,
Where?
did you move my tissues? Probably.
Probably.
But they were right over here.
Here, you need some?
No.
Oh.
But they were right over there.
Look, you can see the view. All right. So you do this here. Swipe up. Do it quick. There you go. Beep. All right. Peace out. Anybody get in there? No? Okay. All right, we're putting on our shoes. We're going to go use the restroom and come back. And this is what our view looks like. It's actually pretty nice. Private road. And the Cybertruck. Did his job. So part of our camp included 3 of these, which attached to the side of the Cybertruck. And would you believe that it's still going? It's still on since about 6 p.m. last night when I attached them to the truck. And they created a perimeter.
So for like 12 hours, right?
I think these are 18 hours. When they're at the lowest setting, I think they're about 16 or 18 hours. Because they have different light positions. And that's really all you need to illuminate, right, your path. And look how it's still going. Look. This is definitely a must buy. I am so glad I got these. Got these at Costco. All right, guys, let's head out. Let's go walk over. It's nice and foggy Sunday morning, and we're gonna head over. Check it out. Diego, are you warming up? You sure? It's really not that cold, huh? I mean, it's cold, like outside, but it's not like, oh my God, it's brutal cold. Then look at me. I got a hoodie on. What happened? Oh, the dog look like he's taking a dumper. Oh, Brown Pool. Look, Brown Pool Road. That's wrong.
Brown pool. Muddy puddle.
Warm water?
Animal poop.
Ew. Watch out.
Animal
Over here.
The
The restrooms over here.
I didn't pick it up. It was probably just a while back.
Stand off.
It looks like big seagulls. That one right there with the clean head with the gray wings.
Yeah, I saw that. Like he's ready to fight. He's feisty. This one right here is feisty.
And then that little bird right there, you see the big little one? That's like getting
No,
left
he
out.
isn't. Not yet. Not yet. But everything is still closed. She works here.
That is his name right there.
Oh, look, you can't fish over there.
Oh yeah, no fishing over there. That makes sense.
Why?
Because you don't want the ducks to hook, catch the bait and get on the hook. Whoa, that little bird.
Yeah, the tiny ones. What do we do with the tiny ones?
Tiny ones.
Let's talk about what we're having for breakfast. We're having Bluey cereal with chocolate milk. And it's pretty good. I think the guys approve. Yep. Well, actually, he's having, what are you having?
Special K.
Special K with chocolate milk. And Bluey with chocolate milk. Not bad. Breakfast of champions. He tried to ram your hand.
Yeah, this dude's grumpy. Look.
You're a little bully. You're a little grumpy goat. You little grumpy goat.
See?
Yeah,
See?
he's-
See? He was about to ram me.
This one is a little sweetie. You know, I don't want to put my foot in there. But you want to eat it. You hear those are gunshots.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Bro, he literally gets up right to the fence so he can stop.
Did you guys feed him already?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
This dude likes the cones.
Did you eat like fast? Yum, yum, yum.
He ate both of the cones. He's used to having the handle break.
Yeah, it's a little different.
Oh, maybe I should get one of those. Put it in my toy hauler.
Good exercise, right, too?
Yeah. That way if I'm a little tipsy and drunk, I don't have to get a bicycle. It's got four wheels.
There you go.
I'm gonna do the short way.
We're gonna go straight. We're all gonna stay together. Deer, follow Owl. Starship will follow the both of you. Owl, make a left. I'll make a left and go around this little island, and I'll wait. I'll be on the other side for you guys. Yeah, go around and I'll meet you on the other end. There's too many kids for me to go through there. Keep going. Go around. Starship will be on the other side.
10-4.
I see you guys coming in hot. Keep going straight. Looking good, guys. Looking good. Starship is right behind you. Keep it going all the way to the market. Looking good, guys. Starship's right behind you. Starship is doing 4 miles an hour. Looking good, guys. Keep it going. Al, when you reach your destination, go ahead, hop out, head to the restroom. Al, you can pull over and you can probably ride around for a little bit longer.
Why don't we do the family fun crawl?
Doesn't look open.
What?
I said it doesn't look open.
It is.
I mean, it doesn't look like they have any activities. As a matter of fact, the lady in the front said that they don't have much of activities today. The wet weather.
Oh. Should we keep going?
Yeah, take your thing back to where we picked it up. Then you can go to the restroom, dear. And Al, you can continue riding around while I park. Starship is gonna make contact. Oh!
Look how easy. Like, ugh.
All right, let's go. So listen up. When we go down, be careful. Walk carefully.
Okay. You hear that, Eric? You gotta run really fast. But careful.
We left the campground. Now we're out by Bodega Bay. Just checking out the coast. Heading back home, but it'll be a long way before we get home. Just playing with the sand. You guys sitting down?
Uh-huh.
Get together. Get closer. Okay.
Go.
Oh my God, I can't lift you guys up.
What if that just did go?
Hold on. You gotta sit up. Sit up. Whoa! Oh my God! I wasn't ready for that one. All right. I was not ready for that one.